Today I received something rather unique in the mail from YouTube, and this is their clapperboard. Now, I've not received anything from YouTube in a very long time. I think the last thing would have been my 100,000 subscribers for the 6 News channel a while back, and then before that it was the Core Ross channel. But this is a limited quantity for the YouTube rewards program that they've kicked in, and this gives a couple of different rewards to YouTubers. So yeah, let's have a look at this. So yeah, this is our YouTube clapperboard. Comes with pen included as well, which is kind of cool. Now, of course, this will be used at the start of every video because you put down the channel first, because of course you might have multiple channels like myself, then the video, whatever it is you're making, then the take and the date. And this way, when you look at the previews in, say, your video editor or your file manager, you'll be able to tell exactly what it is instantly. And that way it's actually a practical thing. But of course, I don't know if many people use it. I know that Adam Savage on Tested actually does have a process where he holds up a clapperboard first, and that's so it actually helps with his video editors who edit up the video later. But anyway, guys, the clapperboard does have some magnets, so let's have a listen to the clapping it does. So it's got quite a satisfying noise to it. So thank you very much to YouTube for sending this out to me. Very cool to check it out. And of course, these are limited quantities, so quite happy to have one. I'll probably put it on display.